Welcome, today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Movies Arch application. Okay, so one moment please. I'll just activate the auto rotate feature, and let's open Movies Edge application. And now we can see here all of the available 10s. We have selected the second one, so we can use, for example, the first one. Let's tap here to apply, and okay, it's not visible here, so let's use it by this way. So unfortunately we should just use only by this way the application. We can see here just some sections, but I'll show you how you can just use them. Just click here on the backgrounds. We can change here the backgrounds, and to apply just click here to apply. We can here also change the music controls time on the AOD. We can hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them. We can here activate to show the notifications from in just different applications, to show the date status. So just to turn on or turn off these features, click on the switchers here. Now just the battery status, to show them always while device charging, or just to don't show it. Also here we can see the settings section. Tap to the always on display, and now we can also here change the shown time of AOD feature on the lock screen always while device charging when we play the music, or also we can use these two options separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease or increase brightness level here, and we can close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. And also we can use the shadow. We can set the start and the end time, or to show the always on display feature on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.